Oh, you ready
Yeah,
now?
how y'all doing, YouTube? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the match people has been waiting for. Well, just one person. Um, Death. So, yeah, Corey's been waiting for this match forever. Um, Knightwalker Games versus Jigsaw Games.
And this is Knightwalker gang. Make sure y'all go subscribe to this man channel and check him out. He got some good content on this channel, so make sure y'all go check him out.
Sure.
After this video, I'm doing that.
Don't do it now. Yeah, we want you to watch this. Yeah, so you already knew he was gonna pick a katana. Alright, katana versus Kung Lao. Ooh. You get that fatality picture, 42. I just reset because I
Oh
just changed
yeah.
my shit. Yeah, he probably gonna get all that shit. Also, ladies and gentlemen, if I get my ass rocked, Jigsaw's been playing Mortal Kombat since Mortal Kombat, okay? So, oh, you bastard.
Let her twerk on you, man. Come on, man. Let her twerk on
Feel like a chump, man. Get off. I knew you was gonna do that bullshit.
you.
Get me out this corner. Stop laying there like a bitch. The fuck up. Oh my god. Really, Jigsaw? This is how Jigsaw wins all his matches.
Oh damn. Turn around like a princess. I'm a princess. Damn it. Okay, let me stop playing
What the fuck? Oh, oh no. That was fucked up, man. I hit the wrong two What? Michael. Nah, this is bullshit. It was my two triggers earlier today. Alright, Jigsaw. Bitch, get off of me with that bullshit wind.
I just do the princess dance combo. Oh shit! He got real.
Break that spine. Should be dead by now.
Want some water? Oh!
Fuck that water. Fuck that. Oh my god, get the hell off of me, man. Air juggling my ass.
Oh! Oh! No! Hitting the wrong buttons. Throw it!
Whew. I'll be lying, ladies and gentlemen, if I say Jigsaw's a bitch, but he just got a little Get the fuck down. Today was the first time I actually did a faction fatality. Usually I never was able to do them. Then I found out you have to stay away from it.
Yeah, far away. They don't tell you that.
Oh shit, no. Get the fuck away from me with that shit. Get him.
Oh damn! Get some water! Get some water!
Oh. Get up, motherfucker. No, get up, motherfucker.
Oh, he doing acrobatic flips and shit. Oh, hey, let me play for real. Let me stop playing. No!
No, get up. Get out of that bullshit.
Oh shit! What the fuck was that, yo?
No, we both did it at the same time. Oh my god.
Oh, you did it too?
Oh my god.
Oh, I didn't even remember. Well, kinda. I didn't want to do that, but you know what? Fuck it. Because you're cool. I didn't do a fatality.
Oh, come on, man. If you're gonna kill me, man. Alright. Alright. That was close. Alright. Alright. I kind of see your style now. Rematch it?
Oh, I'm gonna choose someone else.
Oh, that's how we're doing it. Okay.
I
Okay.
mean, you could choose the same person,
Nah. Then I'll be looking like a bitch. So, nah.
but.
I hate that bitch. She's the one that knocked me at the tournament. I'm gonna give you a shot there, buddy.
I hate her too. This rolling ass.
I want to toss Granny. Saving up all this money for the crib, and the crib is garbage.
Melina. I want my gold back, Kano.
Look at that bitch.
Sorry, no refunds.
Where your boyfriend Baraka at?
Oh, nice one.
I don't know everything with Kano. It's just I fought with them in the tournament. That's
Oh.
all I know with Kano.
Stay away.
Don't piss off the tiger, man. I have the tiger over here and shit. I don't know any combos with Kano. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing with him.
Where did Granny go? Granny, come get your
Nope.
nephew.
Oh! You killed Granny. Look at all that blood.
Oh, she'll be alright, man. She'll come back for Christmas somehow.
No! Damn it. Get your dumb ass up, you slow. Okay, Kano slow as shit. God, Kano, you ain't doing no damn damage.
Go down here. Oh, damn. Oh, damn.
That shit hurt, buddy? A metal head busting your ass up. Damn. Oh. She got them high ass kicks though, man. I give her that shit. Damn it. Walked into that shit. Ugh. Shit should have been insta kill, man.
I know, right? His forehead should have been bleeding everywhere. That was me. I'll forfeit the match. I don't want to do that no more, man. She bit me.
Oh.
Oh, damn. What are you doing? Do your fucking move! Do your move! You can... Oh, shit. You playing hopscotch here on your ass and shit?
I hate Kano. I'm surprised I even won that.
Oh, the barrel way in the background. I thought I was gonna pick it up and throw it at you.
Damn. Oh, really? Kano, stop being a bitch.
Damn. That moves won't fucking come out. There we go. Damn, I've been trying to do that for the past 5 moves.
Damn.
Oh, that's it.
Aw. Cooch cake, man. I'll knock any bitch out. Wow, I'm surprised I won with Kano. That is some surprising shit. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're 1-1. Can only be one. Only one.
Isn't that a rap song? I don't know.
Is it? I don't know. I'm gonna go younger Kung Lao. Tournament style Kung Lao.
I don't know. Let's try him.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really? Dude. I almost want to say you're throwing the match away, but Corey gonna be like, what the fuck? Battle of the Gods, man. Raiden would whip Kodokan's ass every day.
I was expecting you.
You are quite self-assured.
I have no reason not to.
No, I'm young again. I found the fountain in the future.
Okay, fuck it. I was gonna say it on my channel, but damn, Kodokan's like a fucking emo. He just keep cutting himself, dude.
Oh, you think so?
Alright, there we go.
Think he's emo? I think he's just bored, man.
Oh shit.
Get your big ass over there.
Hey, just because I beat the game with Kodokan, I thought I would be the shit with him. But I am the shit. A piece of shit with him.
Oh! Oh, okay, it's that basic grip.
Alright.
Oh, you both did it at the same time?
I saw it. I seen it.
I give it though, that fucking X-ray, Kodokan's X-ray is badass. Fucking spin your whole neck around, man. Oh! Oh! Okay. Oh, okay, you gotta get me in the corner, right? Nah, motherfucker. Damn! Man, get out that corner! Beat that ass!
No homo.
Give me back my hat! Damn it, there you go. I'll back it up. Get out that corner!
Damn.
Get out that motherfucker.
I'm fucking it up. I'm fucking it up.
Oh my god. Oh my god, no! Oh! God, you cutting yourself again? Didn't you just do that already?
Do it now, okay. Oh, that's it. Oh, you can make a comeback. Remember, subs, you can do anything, make a miracle happen. A sub for times like this. Yeah.
Switch my stance
All
around.
allows us like an acrobat.
Ow. Oh. Oh.
39%. That 39? Give me the 39. Fuck! I wanted 39. Oh, damn, what was I doing? I was like a stupid ass. I was just sitting there looking at him.
Well, since you invited me to
fuck.
hit you.
Grab his ass!
No!
Throw him in the corner! Damn.
Kodokan, get your ass down there. I can't believe I beat you with Kano, man. That was some shit. And the feathers cut in half. Yeah. You gave me that match. Alright, I think we got one more. We got one more. We only have 13 minutes.
Go one more, people.
We got one more. This is a bonus match. I'm gonna go random.
I'll go random too.
They're gonna give me some shitty bullshit. Oh!
Oh shit! They gave me my second best person. All right.
So they kept me with Kung Lao and Buzzsaw. That's what's on the. That's what up. They're like, we want to see Kung Lao again versus Ermac. Can Jigsaw tie it up or go out a chump on his own channel?
Okay, if I lose, y'all better not unsubscribe. I'm just playing. Y'all can unsubscribe if you want to, but still, it's alright. Just saying.
Damn. Oh, damn. Ermac. Oh, damn. Sit your ass down somewhere, you. Oh, really? Oh, dude, I think you fight better as him than you do Kitana, man. Damn. Oh my god. Ermac is a beast. that all you got to do? You magical bastard, man. What the fuck?
You
Just gonna
magical bastard.
grab my ass. Like, oh my god. Damn. No, you fuck you, Ermac. Oh my god. Oh, I have nothing for him, man. They're making his little green bubble phasers, man. What the fuck? That's what you was waiting for. You get me close so you can do your bullshit. I got you.
know.
I got you now. Oh man. And you fucking worse than goddamn Scorpion with his teleport bullshit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get the fuck on somewhere. Dude, Ermac is crap, man. Fuck you, Ermac. I'm scared of Ermac now. Fuck that. I mean, I never block, but in your case, man, you actually gonna make me block shit, man. I never block in a fight. Oh my. Really?
Damn.
Oh, I should dodged it. Oh.
Come on, man. It was like a.
Oh my.
There we go.
Get the fuck on, Ermac. Dude, if you don't stop that bullshit, man.
Teleport, get your lazy ass
Oh,
up. There you
goddamn
go.
button
Oh,
smashing
damn.
motherfucker. I hear you smashing the buttons. Get the fuck on, Ermac. Oh my god.
Oh damn! Right in the duck. Oh hell.
You know what? No, just yeah.
Oh damn! You should have did a fatality.
No.
Hey! Calm down. I didn't know. Calm down. Calm down. I know you want. Calm down.
You made it come out. You know, you all that magic bullshit. Alright. Oh my god, Ermac is. Oh my god, Ermac is beast. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you saw it right here. Kong Lao, motherfuckers. Whoop ass, okay? Ah, damn. Jigsaw, any last words, my friend? And on that note, y'all have a great night.